Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell USDT in Canada. So in order to sell USDT, we are going to use Bitunix and Index. So if you don't have account on these two platforms, then I will put my link down in the description. So you can use that link in order to create your account on these platforms, and you are also going to get some of the percentage of trading rebate on these platforms if you use my link. So first of all, I'm going to use bitunix.com, and over here we are going to deposit the USDC. So if you don't know then let me tell you that on any of the Canadian exchanges the USDT is not allowed, but USDC can be allowed and it can be used as a workaround for USDT. So first you just have to come to Bitunix, create your account on it, and then you just have to simply hover over to assets. Now you need to click on deposit. After clicking on deposit, it will show you various types of options over here, but you need to select the coin. So in order to select it, you need to click on select coin option, then type USDC in this search bar. Here you need to select USDC, then it will ask you to select the network. So whichever network you are using in order to deposit your USDC from any other exchanges to Bitunix, you just have to select the same network over here. Let's say you have selected Solana, so you need to select it, and then you just have to copy this deposit address and you need to get some USDC in your account. Now once you have USDC in your account, now is the time to convert your USDC into USDT. Now if you have your USDC in your futures account, then you need to convert it into your spot account first. So for that you need to come to futures account, and here you will be able to see the transfer button. So you need to click on transfer and then click on this arrow button. Now here in the top you will be able to see USDT, which will be your futures account, and we want to convert our USDC into our spot account. So here you need to select USDC, and after selecting all, you need to press the submit button. Now in the third step, we are going to just convert our USDC into USDT. In order to do that, you just have to come to the spot tab in the top, and here in the search bar you need to search for USDC and USDT pair. After selecting it, you just have to simply click on it, and after clicking on it you will be able to see this type of section in the bottom where you can buy USDT. So you need to scroll down, and here you need to enter the amount of USDC that you want to convert into USDT. After that you just have to simply click on buy, and there you will be able to get USDT in your Bitunix account. Now in order to send that USDT from your Bitunix account to Index, you just have to simply hover over to assets in the top and click on withdraw. After clicking on withdraw, it will show you the asset that you have over here, but it will ask you to provide the deposit address. So in order to get the address, you need to come to your Index website, and from here you just have to copy the deposit address of USDT. After that you just have to simply come here, paste the address in this section, and send USDT from your Bitunix account. Now once this step is done, and once you receive your USDT in your account, you just have to simply sell it on Index. So after selling it, once you have your money in your Canadian dollars, you just have to simply click on the withdraw button in the top, and after clicking on withdraw, you just have to select any of the Canadian banks that you see. So you just have to select any of these, then you need to enter the amount, and after that you just have to read and agree to the disclaimer. Then click on withdraw and enter the 6-digit 2FA authentication code generated in your 2FA authenticator application, and then you just have to simply confirm your withdrawal via email. So these are some of the steps that you need to take in order to sell USDT in Canada. I know these are a lot of steps, but this is the only thing that you can do. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.